Action Impact are exhibiting for the first time at the Middle East Event Show this year. What are your objectives and hoping to achieve from your participation?
We've taken the bold step this year of jumping on board what appears to be, and has become quite apparent, that it's an event that's become the focal point for the Middle East event industry. Our objectives will be to showcase a lot of the work that we do, not only here in the UAE but also around the region. Also to engage with a lot of the fellow industry visitors and delegates that will be there, and to meet some quite critical audiences for us, many of which we just don't get the opportunity to see, and many of which we can see are coming.
And are there any particular reference points and projects or services that you'll be showcasing at the event show for the visitors this year?
Yeah, we may well be making some special announcements at the show. We have a number of new business initiatives within the agency that will probably take some pride of place at the show, but I'd have to shoot you if I told you now.
And we saw when we came in today that you're sporting some of the Middle East Event Award trophies in your cabinet downstairs. Will you be having some interesting projects and case studies that you're nominating this year?
We most certainly will be. The first priority will, of course, be costing the additional extension for the trophy cabinet, because it's now creaking under the weight of trophies. But jokes aside, we try and put as much work as we can forward for the event awards. Unfortunately, we've won a small handful of them over the years.
The news is dominated by talk of recession and global economic woes. How do you see the events industry in the Middle East faring over the next 12 months?
The industry is under pressure from budgets. The introduction of procurement across the region is something new since the economic crisis took hold. But as long as you're offering a good service and good value for what you're offering, we don't see any decline in the amount of work. That people still want to get their brand out there, they still want pride of place, and we're in a growing part of the world.
What part has Action Impact played in showcasing talent and expertise from this region to the rest of the world?
There has been this perception that imported talent is better, and I think in recent years that has changed quite significantly. Clearly, a lot of our fellow competitors, agencies, friends and colleagues here are delivering world-class work, world-class, very credible work. I'd like to think that we're a major part of that, as are other agencies and other fellow competitors in the industry.
Which country in the region are you seeing as the next big thing where a lot of your work is now?
We do a lot of work in Qatar, a lot of work in Saudi Arabia. Like many agencies, we are looking at Qatar with a rather more permanent base. Certainly a regional office based in Qatar makes a lot of sense at the moment. But we're treading with caution because it's easy to rush into these things.
Suffice to say that we're very pleased that Action Impact have made the decision to take part in the Middle East Event Show this year, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Trade Centre in May.
Us too.
Yeah, we look forward to it.